Hey guys, welcome back to another video with Tony's phone collection. Today we're going to be drop testing some phones. I'm out here with my car. Kind of found a nice quiet area with some asphalt and stuff out here, so let's go ahead and hit the slow motion camera on. I'm using my Note 10 Plus as a slow motion. Alrighty, here goes the backdrop. Let's see how that did. See a lot of nicks on the back. Like I said, this asphalt's going to be really hard on too, so a couple nicks up the top. Screen's not shattered, so that's good. Let's go ahead and hit the slow motion again. Oops. It's a good thing I have my phone in the case, right? And then we're going to do a corner drop. See, definitely took some nicks right there on the bottom corner. Really rough too. So we're going to do a top drop on the side, but with it open like that. In 3, 2, 1. Definitely has some nicks up at the top. Right there. Couple right there. And then now we're going to do the face down. So let's start the slow motion. I was going to put it on the tripod, but when it's on the tripod, it's too high and it doesn't look right. I'm just going to slap it on there. Alright. Here goes the face down in 3, 2, 1. Alrighty, it didn't crack it. Actually, I'm kind of surprised. See, it looks pretty good still. Alrighty, and now we're gonna go like to head height on the rear, the side, and the front. Let's get that started. Alrighty, 3, 2, 1. See a lot of nicks on the body. Screen's okay. Let's go ahead and do the bottom side. In 3, 2, 1. It kind of landed on the face. You can definitely see right up there. It didn't crack it though, so that's good. Alright, now we're going to do the side to drop on the top with it open. In 3, 2, 1. Taking a look at it. Let's see. Yeah, it definitely hit right there on that side. Actually, the slider feels a lot better now. It's not as rough as it was. That's pretty cool. So now we're going to go down to the face down drop. Alrighty. In 3, 2, 1. But surprisingly, it didn't crack. Let's set this up. That's really crazy. I see it did take a lot of nicks around the chassis though. The edge of this is kind of raised up, so it kind of protects the screen a little bit. I'm going to go and do another face down with it slit open. I'm going to slide this on. I'm using a GameCube case, and then I'm taking it out from under and letting it fall straight down. So in 3, 2, 1. Alright, taking a look at it. See, it definitely cracked with the slider open, hit right here in the corner. I'm not watching the slow motion either, so I'm just I'll watch them when I start editing and when I get home. So there's the Blackberry torch drop test. I guess we're going to just throw it up in the air one time and see what it does. Let's see. Yep, hit on the screen, it looks like. That one's kind of far from the slow motion though, but alrighty.